So the next question is we have to print the distinct numbers which ends with 1 in ascending order. So we'll be given list of numbers. We have to find out the number which ends with 1 and we have to print those number in descending order. So I hope the question is clear. Let's see how to do it. So here we are given with list of integers, okay? So we have to find out all the numbers which ends with 1 and print the result in ascending order. So all this 11, 21, 31, all these things a number ends with 1, okay? So how can I find it? One of the easiest ways, if I do a mod with 10, if I get 1 as the answer, that means it's a number which ends with 1. It's a straightforward one. So let's try to do the same thing here, okay? So basically, so here what we'll do is we'll start iterating on the numbers and we'll start streaming. So once we start streaming, we have to filter those numbers whose mod of 10, right? Whose mod with the 10 is equals to 1. And in that, let's find the distinct also because that's another use case. And in the next step, we have to sort it. Once you sort, what we can do is we have to print it. So I'll just print it here. So here we are taking every number and we are checking whether it ends with 1. After that, we are filtering based on distinct. We are sorting it and we are printing the result. Let's see the result. So you can see it has printed all the numbers like 11, 21, 31, all those things in the ascending order, and all these numbers ends with 1. Let us say interviewer changed the question a bit. A follow-up is asked. You have to find all the numbers which basically contains 1 anywhere else. So, and print the response in the descending order. So the question is, you have to find the numbers which contains 1 anywhere. It need not be in the beginning. And you have to print those numbers. So how to do it? Let's maybe comment this. So first anyway, we have to iterate on numbers. We have to stream it. Next is the filtering criteria. How we have to filter it? So a easy way is convert this number to string. So string dot value of the number. So once you get this string format, then it is pretty straightforward. Contains check whether it contains 1 anywhere. If so, then what we have to do is again distinct and we have to print it in the descending order. So we have to specify our comparator strategy. It's reverse order and we have to print it. So we have to print all the numbers which contains 1. It can be in the beginning and middle anywhere. So let's see the response. So now you can see we got 150, 145, 102 because it contains 1 somewhere. So this is a second variation. Let's say the third variation. It's a very simple one. Uh, we have to just print those numbers which contains 1 in the beginning. So we just change this condition to just change this condition to starts with and run it. So what we are doing is we are checking all the string which starts with 1. So you can see 150, 145, all these things contains 1 in the beginning. So we got the response. So basically in this, right, we discussed 3 variations. So the first variation is 1 will be at the end. Second variation is number 1 will be anywhere. Third variation is number 1 will be in the beginning. So this is how you have to practice. Take a problem, try different variations so that you'll understand better. Otherwise, what will happen is when you go and sit in an interview or when you are doing day-to-day coding, your mind will not think in all the directions. So it's better to try out different things when you're practicing so you can train your mind. I hope it's very clear to you. Let's move on to the next question.